Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the QProgressBar widget in PyQt5. Alright, so here's the application we'll be creating in this exercise. This is going to be a very basic tutorial just to show you how we can implement a progress bar in your application. From this application we'll be building, on the top is my progress bar, and on the bottom is my push button. And if I click on go, the progress bar is going to get filled all the way to 100%, then it's going to stop. And that's it. Let me close the window. Here from my Python code snippet, let's look at the import statement. So from this script, I'm importing the system module, the time library. From the Qt widgets module, I'm importing QApplication class, QWidget, QProgressBar. So this is the progress bar widget, a push button, and QFeed box layout. Within the app demo class, so here I'm setting the application minimal width to 600. And here's my vertical box layout object, followed by a push button. And this statement will add the push button widget to my vertical box layout object. So if I launch the application, right now, all we have is a push button. Now let's go ahead and insert our progress bar widget. So I'll name the progress bar self.progressBar is equals to QProgressBar class. When you are using progress bar in PyQt5, we are going to use the term steps to define the total population. I'm going to create a variable called n. The n variable is going to be my total steps. Let's say I have 500 documents that I need to process. Then I'll assign 500 to the n variable. Now let's go back to the progress bar widget. So there are two methods we need to set. The first method is the set minimum. So this is your lower bound. I'm going to set the lower bound to 0. And for the upper bound, so it's going to be progress bar set maximum. And it's going to be your total step. So in this case will be the n variable value. And there's also another method. It's called set range. And we can use this method to set the lower bound or upper bound. And if we decide to use the set range method, then this statement is equivalent to these two lines. But I'm going to keep things simple by using the set minimum and the set maximum method to set my lower bound and upper bound. I need to add this widget to my layout object. Now let's create a method to run the progress bar. And I'll name this method run. And we're going to assign a parameter called n. N is basically the total steps. And here we need to insert a loop. So for I in range. And we'll send the n value to the range function. And here I'm going to delay the progress bar by 0.01 second every time we're increasing a step. And here I can insert the progress bar object that set value. And it's going to fill the bar. Now we can connect the run method to the push button. Since the run method has a parameter called n, and to be able to pass a parameter value to the run method, here I'm going to use the lambda function. I'm going to set my parameters, status, and I'm going to name the other parameter n size is equals to n variable. Now I can call the run method, and I can assign the parameter value. Now if I launch the application, and if I click on go, and that's going to basically run the progress bar until the bar fills up to 100%. Alright, so this is everything I want to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.